Hi guys, this is Chris and welcome to Conversion Chef. In this channel, we talk about Shopify applications to increase your conversion. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our YouTube updates. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications review. Please also visit our review blog, conversionskitchen.com, and mailing list conversionchef.club. Let's jump into the video. Not being able to see and identify your website visitors' activities is like losing the chance to get to know them and offer what they like. In this video, we are going to talk about an application that would record your website activities. In that case, you will also increase your conversion rate. Let's jump into the video. The LuckyOrange application focuses on recording your website visitors' activities. It helps you identify which part of your store do they give more time and which part do they stop viewing it. It is a great help to identify your store's weaknesses and strengths. In that way, you can create a way on how to solve it so you would be able to increase your conversion. Let's go to the application. We are now on the dashboard of the LuckyOrange application. So as you can see, there are different widgets on the dashboard. The first one is the people online. In this widget, you will be able to see on how many people are visiting your website as of the moment or real time. So it says here that there are 0 returning viewers and there are 0 new viewers. The next one is the basic statistics. This is your most common statistics or visitor statistics. The unique visitors you have is 3, which is 200% more than the recent or the last day. So the page views, you have 3, which is also 200% more than your visitors last day. So visits 3 and your average pages. The next one is your top tags. This behavior tagging is a quick label that indicates the activity of your visitors. So for example, it says here that your visitors viewed a product. There are 1 visitor who viewed your product. So this is a great widget so that you will be able to see on what is your customer doing on your website. The next one is your conversion funnels. So you may create your funnel here, just like the viewed product, added to cart funnel, and the ordered funnel. So you may set here. You may create a new funnel by just clicking on the plus icon. So for example, you want to create a funnel on which your customer is signed up. So just create that and just follow the steps. So let's say that's done. Okay. You may create a new funnel by just clicking the plus sign and just delete a funnel if you want to remove that on your widget. So the next one is your tweets. So this needs a setup. Just have to sign in with your Twitter. This is a record on which your customers start tweeting your website on Twitter. So that will be also recorded on this widget. The dashboard, you may set a filter by tags, as well as set the date in here. You may also drag your widgets if you want to rearrange them. So if you want this here, just do that. Now let's go to the other features of this application. So the next one is the live visitors. This is a record on the number of your visitors as of the moment, just like your people online. The next one is your recordings. The recordings is a record, simply a record of the activity of your customer. So let's say that this is a record 12 hours ago from Virginia in mobile. So let's see. So this is the screen recording of your customer's activity on your website. So if you want, of course, just play these recordings of your viewers' activities so that you will be able to identify on what are the weaknesses and strengths of your website. Now let's go to the polls. The polls is, of course, when you say polls, this is like a questionnaire or survey. So you set your questions and you float them to the different targets. So if you want to create one poll or different polls, you just have to click on the create poll. Just follow the instructions in this section. Now let's go to the heat maps. The heat maps is simply a graphic representation of data which is being displayed through the different colors, mostly is in green, red, and yellow. Now let's say that we would like to identify the data on our website. So just enter a URL on your site to start with. So this is our site. And below that, you may be able to see the most visited pages. So this is the top visited page. Now let's view that. So with your heat maps, it will be creating an overlay so that you will be able to see the heat maps and see a data through colors. So let's press shift. Okay, so those are the circles or points indicating that there is an activity on that section. So let's click that. So automatically there will be an information to pop up. So in this area, it says here that there is a one click and one recording on this page. So this is basically the heat map. So this heat map is very interesting and helpful because it will specifically point out on which section of the page did they click or not. Now let's go to the form analytics. The process is the same with the heat maps. Just enter a URL on your site to start with. So you will be able also to see the different visited forms. So that is basically everything about the features of the LuckyOrange application. If you have some questions about the application, if you want a help on the dashboard or the different features of this application, just click on this icon. So they will be guiding you through these widgets. There, so you may play around and just read the descriptions of the different widgets. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned something on this tutorial/review. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!